Hey, give me 1 second, y'all. Alright. Let me send out this link right quick. Let me send out this link, then we're gonna get started. Let me send this out to my Discord right quick, and we gonna get started. Yo, shout out to everybody that's in here though. What's good, Weight Loss? What's up? You said Nas just went dumb? Yeah, I know. I'm trying to see what they about to do now. I think they about to run real. I think they about to go to the downside down into this fair value gap, so we could probably be able to catch a little sale. You know what I'm saying? I really wish I would have sold it when it came up in here. I knew it was gonna sell off this order block though, but you know what I'm saying, sticking to my discipline, I ain't take it. But I could have got this entry right here, stop up here, 20 pip move. I'd already been up almost 200 pips, but it's all good. We'll get them next time. Let me send out this link to my other page right quick. Alright, so look, y'all know what I tell y'all to do. What's up, Real World? What's up, Shakir? What's up, Cosmic? Taka, De Niro, Nicole, Randy. What's up with all y'all? How y'all doing today? But look though, we about to do the same thing we usually do. So I'm gonna mark off the 10 o'clock candle, right? And I'm gonna mark off the 11 o'clock candle. I mean the 11 o'clock range. So we just go back to the 5 minute. And we wait to see what they do at 10 o'clock. It is, like I said, it's a fair value gap right here. Right, and we just took out this sell side liquidity right here. We just took out this sell side right here, so I'm expecting for them to run down into this 16,500, 16,400 range, possibly to the previous week low. What's good, G Money? What's good, Otter? So yeah, we just waiting until 10 o'clock though. Like I said, it's a fair value gap right here. Price did tap into it though. Price did already tap into it, so I don't know if that's gonna be like 100% what they use. But I'm gonna just mark these off just to have them right there and see what price do at that range. So what y'all saying? What's good? What's good? What's good, Walker? OG Cam. Yeah, we about to try to catch some. Like I said, I'm tapped in with y'all every day. Almost every day. I can't say it's gonna be every day 100%, but I'm locked in though. I gotta delete some of this stuff off US30 because I don't even know what all that stuff is. Let me try to do a quick markup right quick though before 10 o'clock happen. So US30 got this big gap down here they trying to reach for. Previous week high up here. Just took out the previous week low. to the weekly, the daily. Just took out the previous day low. We got fair value gap up here that's forming on a daily, and the previous day high up here. All right, go down to the 4 hour. See what happened. A little FEG right here. Like I said, I ain't really looking to take no trades at these levels. I'm just looking at what's going on, and I decide what I'm gonna do based off price action. But I'm just marking this stuff off so I can see it. Go down to the 15. I ain't gonna lie, I would like to see US30 come up here though and take out this that stuff up there. Give me 1 second though, yeah. All right. And then we do the same thing for US30. We gonna go to 10 o'clock candle and 11 o'clock. See, US30 do got a fair value gap right here, but it already got tapped into before 10. So it's kind of like, I don't know, but I'm gonna see. I might take this US30 buy. Let me see what Nas doing though. It's 10 o'clock now. Yeah, see, if I take it, I'll probably wait for it to push back up and hit something. And then I catch the retracement back down. But we gonna see what happens. What y'all saying in the stream? Let me see. Is this a silver bullet strategy? Yeah, it is. You said 15 minutes on US30. It's a fair value you got? Let me see. Oh yeah, you right, my boy. But see, I'm trying to see where they would go for. I see so much liquidity built up here. I mean, and we, you know what I'm saying, we do got these equal lows down here though on US30. So I'm just trying to wait and see what happens. Today ain't really no clean looking day as far as like the indices for real. Hold on, what did I do my markup? I did it on this one. So yeah, maybe we can catch this one right here. This 15-minute fair value we gonna see though. US30 might be the play. But Nas, I'm expecting a lower retracement on Nas too though. So we gonna see. Let me make sure we ain't running to no hourly levels. It is an order block right here. So that could definitely be an area that price, you know what I'm saying, form a pullback off of. But then I'm looking at US30, and I'm looking at it from here too, though. Like if we look at this whole range, I personally would like to see them push up into this fair value gap up here, and then see him come back down, because that'll be right there at the 70 of this whole price leg. Yeah. So I'm expecting for them to buy, right? You see how we got equal highs right here. Anytime I see that, I'm expecting the market to trade to it. So you see we got equal highs up here, and that's right above the 70. So if we push above here, that'll just be them grabbing, you know what I'm saying, clearing the rest of this range out to continue to go down into that to that fair value gap on the lower time frame. So yeah, I think we definitely gonna have a little buy opportunity. But if it don't come, we ain't gonna force it though. Y'all know how I am. Give me 1 second. What US30 do? That ain't left. US30 got up out of there. Hold on. I'm thinking about using this 1 minute this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Yeah, I'm gonna take it because it's a low risk trade, so I'm a long right here. Once we top into that, and then I'm a target up here, go for a 1 or 2, right up into this gap up here, and then that should be enough for us to do what we do. All right, so look, I'm gonna put the trade on the screen. I ain't enter it yet. I'm waiting for it to top down into this fair value gap right here. If it pull back, then I'm gonna take it. Hold on, yeah. Yeah, today is a sale day, but price gotta return back up into a premium first. You get what I'm saying? Price gotta return to a premium. So once it returns to that premium, then you're gonna see a sell-off. Yeah, it might not even come back. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Cause US30 just took straight off and it didn't even get no entry. Like usually I like to get the gap on the 5 minute, but it ain't even get no entry. So I mean US30 kind of forming another one right here. See, I'm expecting for US30 probably to reach up to take out these highs up here. And then come back down. So this US31 could be a trade too though. But let's just wait and see what happens. Like I said, we ain't trying to force nothing. We just want to let the market do what it do and show its hand to us first. And like I said, we don't get no trade by 11 o'clock, then we just leave it alone. See, they giving another one right here. Let's see if they top into ours though. on this 1 minute. With an entry at where is this 588? I gotta make sure I send this out to my chat right quick. If it pop back in. What's that? 16, 5, 8, 8, 8, 9. I ain't gonna lie, this Jane might have left. It might not give us no trade. Tomorrow should be a good day though. Tomorrow, Thursday. Thursday usually show like a pretty fast setup on Nas. So we might get like a trade. They push down into this gap and then like shoot up in the week. In the week off back toward the upside on Friday. Because Friday usually they'll do like a reversal. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, them pads taking off. Hold on. Somebody said something. What do you say? Breakaway gap. You said why is today a sell day? I mean, the way I look at it is if you look at the previous day low and the previous day high, whichever one they run is usually the way they're gonna continue to. That's usually the direction they're gonna close in for the day. You get what I'm saying? So if you looking at Nas100, you can see that we closed, but we took out the previous day low. So that should tell you that what price is still trying to go toward the downside. Because if it was trying to go up, we'd have been wanting to see it do an explosive move toward the upside. So since price did like a explosive move toward the downside and took out yesterday's low, we expected for them to close toward the low of the day. So we would just be waiting for a trade. The way we would get our entry is price pull back, right, into a premium, and we would basically sell with our stop loss at the higher day. At the higher today, because we won't be expecting them to take out that high day. So our stop loss should be safe up here, and we could, short somewhere in here, back down toward the lower day. So I'm expecting for like this 4-hour candle to probably close up here toward the bullish side, and then the following 4-hour candle after that, it probably create like a fair value gap right here on the 4-hour, and then the next 4-hour candle would top in probably into like this order block and then sell off. So I'm expecting for price to push up here toward this order block right here, and then we sell off. So we can have like a stop up here at the top of this high. $605. Let me see. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This might be a dumb move as far as this buy. We might gotta try to catch the sale if it happened before this time that I'm thinking it's gonna happen. We still right here inside this fair value gap, so we gotta watch this area right here and see if price trade through it or if they trade back, back down. Remember, we not in no trade yet. I got this up here in case they come back down toward that level, and then I get along because we had like, a 30 pip stop loss. I didn't really that much, but 589 stop loss would be 560. Take profit at 16,650. What's that? 60 pips. I'm just getting this signal together in case it come back down to my entry. But this happens some days though. You said look at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I know. I got a bunch of them marked off already. I don't want to put too much on the screen because it started confusing me. But like I said, my trade window is between this dotted line and this dotted line. ICT 2022 model. Yeah, it's the ICT 2022. US30 took off, bro. It ain't even get no chance for a trade for real. Besides like this candle right here. But it was before our time. Like this was after the 930 candle happened. So if somebody would have took this one on US30, you would have had a nice trade, but it wasn't the silver bullet because it was before 10. You get what I'm saying? Did I get my payout from the Forex fund? Nah, I still say pending. Today it'd be like 48 hours, you know what I'm saying? Around like 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, because that's when I requested it on the 15th. So we gonna see what happens. Like I said, I just want y'all on here with me. Even if we don't take no trade, y'all just getting on here with me. Y'all learning something. So that's crazy though, because if we would have just pulled it when it tapped into this order block right here on the hourly, if we'd have just pulled it at that hourly order block and put our stop loss right here at this low, we'd have already been up. And it's about to hit, it look like it's about to go up there toward TP. See something. Big facts. You said how you request? I did it through crypto. Yeah, I did it through crypto. You said you took a buy, US30 about to drop. Nah, for sure. But see, on Nas, I'm expecting for them to top up into here. Top up into this fair value gap up here, fill this. Cause you gotta look where we at. Is we in a premium or a discount? We gotta look at this whole price move right here. So we really, and then you look at the 0.70, right? You see how it's lining up right with these equal highs? I'm expecting for them to probably run up there, take these out, and then come back down. But like I said, I ain't even in the move yet. So it don't really matter what they do right now. We just watching. And even if we don't get it set up today, we just building, you know what I'm saying? We watch the charts. So yeah, we don't chase trades. We just let it come to us. Because the setup going to build on its own. It might not happen today, it might happen tomorrow, but we got to still watch what price doing just so we can, you know what I'm saying? Make sure we got an understanding of what's going on. But price coming down, it look like it's trying to come down toward our entry. Let's see. It might come back. They don't usually like to lead them fair value gap, so if they tap into it, we gonna take it. That ain't still playing. Yeah, make sure y'all like the stream up for me. I appreciate that. What broker didn't pay, I just want to know was not Sway. Sway always pay. Sway pay out within minutes for me. The longest I had to wait on Sway probably was like a day on the weekend to get a payout. But most of the time, if I do it on a weekday, it come within like at least like 30 minutes. Sometimes it be there in a couple minutes. But we was talking about a prop firm though. With regular brokers, you can easily get your money out of that. It's just prop firms, they be playing games sometimes. But let's see. I think it's gonna come back down in the head, and then probably shoot up. But U30 came back down for this 5 minute. You said, do I use trade lock? And I never use it. I mean, I don't use it. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a buy. It's a small risk buy, so I'm gonna go for it if it push down into this FVG right here. If it come down to this red line, then I'm buying right there. Funny Trader Plus, yeah, I never tried them out before. Ain't playing around. Just go ahead, tap us in, man. I probably trade one more time tomorrow, and then that probably be it for me for the week. Probably leave Friday alone. But yeah, I'm about to enter right here. I'm in. Stop right here at the low of the day, and we see if we could go back up to this premium. I'll take profit, really not even where I'm expecting for price to go. But like I said, I'm trying to stay consistent, so I'm just going for the 1 to 2. Especially when I'm on a live, I don't want to try to, go for too much and then we in profit and then price come all the way back. So if it hit, we'll see. Now it's the part we just wait. See, I really could have a smaller stop though, but see, it's a 1 minute fair value gap, so I ain't really trying to move my stop too close to these candles because price could, tap real deep into this gap. I could have my stop like right here and have even tighter risk, but I'm gonna leave it at the lower day and see what price do off this. Like I said, I'm only taking one trade, so win, lose, it's the only one I'm doing for the day. Cause soon it's gonna be out of my window, so I'm just trying to hope we could get this lower 1 to 2 right quick and get off the chop. Everybody in with me? Forex fund right now. I use your strat for EU silver bullet on 15 minutes. Can you give me some advice on the take profit? I mean, whatever your stop loss is, make sure you just go for a 1 to 2. If you go for a 1 to 2, you can never go wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? And it depends on like the account size that you're using. Like if you got a big account, you could go for a 1-on-1 and you're gonna make a lot of money. You get what I'm saying? But if you still build an account or you trying to stay consistent, go for a 1 to 2 every time. Don't push it. Don't try to go for 1 to 3. If you're trying to reach for a higher profit target after a 1 to 2, make sure you close partials at least at that 1 to 2 and then let the rest of the trade run and move your stop to break even. Let me switch time frames very quick. Stay on the 5 minute for a minute just so those 1 minute candles don't start messing with my emotions. Looking at all them candles back and forth like that, it be playing with your psychology. So that's why I don't really go to the 1 minute chart like that unless I'm looking for like a fair value gap or something. You in phase 2 of your FTMO 25,000. Shout out to that. I got a dude that's in my Discord. He trading on like a 10K funded and bro been killing it. So you definitely can make you some money on the smaller prop firm accounts. You just gotta know what you're doing. So yeah, we still on Nas, y'all. We going toward the upside down, price moving up. Like I said, I'm trying to start doing these little small account flips. So I'm trading on like a $1,000 account right now. I'm up 200. Y'all see, I'm on my Sway Markets account. You can see we got in that trade down there. We up $230 right now on a $1,000 account. We about to see where price push up to. Let me see how much I make if I take profit up here. How much that'll be? 1,100. Let me see. Let's see what happened. I guess I want to go for a 1 or 2. I risk like 300 on this setup, so I got at least make 600 back off of it. But let's see what happened. And this is why I like when I'm trading, especially when I'm doing like some intraday scalping stuff. I don't really try to risk the whole account balance on one move. You get what I'm saying? I risk like, if I got a $1,000 account and I'm trying to flip it, I risk like 200, 300 to try to make like 1,000. Especially on the trade like this, why I know price got to come back up into it. This how you can really flip accounts though. Cause say for instance, I held this trade all the way up here. I'll make 1,000. I'll make like $1,200 off the move if it come up here above this little into a premium right up at the 70. And then say I sell at the 70. I could sell at the 70 right above these equal highs up here. Stop up here with the profit that I just made. And then I go right and I could go super heavy risk on it because I'm expecting for the market to close back down toward the lower day. You get what I'm saying? So I could hold this trade until tomorrow until they top down into this fair value gap down here. So that's how I be flipping like small accounts or whatever. But as you can see, we pushing towards take profit right now. Yes, sir. Hey, we did this. Hey, you know what's crazy though? This is the same setup I took yesterday, y'all. Literally. The same exact trade. We get on here and did the same thing. I ain't gonna lie, DJ. I don't even trade gold, bro. I can't trade that to save my life, bro. So I don't even look at it no more. Cause I like to trade gold sometimes, but I lose more times than I win on gold. So I just decided to leave it alone. You said, am I gonna sell? Yeah. Yeah, I sell. If it come up here into this 0.70, then I just like do something like this. Have a short position right here. And then I just target like this fair value gap down here. So it'll be like a 1 to 3. You know what I'm saying? I can feel safe with my stop at the higher day. And then I just basically hold that trade until it hit this fair value gap. Because I wouldn't expect tomorrow to break today's high. You get what I'm saying? So let me take this off so nobody don't get confused. But I don't know. If I do end up selling it, I send it out in the signal chart. I ain't gonna wait for price to do all that because I'm just trying, you know what I'm saying, make y'all make some money right quick and then get off and go about my day. Better go to the studio. Go make some music or something. But we at a 1-to-1 right now though. Yeah, waiting for price to continue to push up. See now, like looking at price, since we already done started pushing toward the upside, now we can start moving our stop loss up. You get what I'm saying? So initially, let me take this line off right quick. Initially, we had it at what, 560. We can save ourselves like, we can go down about 13 pips. We could put it at this low. This body of this candle. So I'm gonna move the stop up to 16,575 and it'll be 12 pips. What is that? 16,570? 16,575. All right. Price still moving up though, so we Gucci for now. You said you flipped your account from 300 to 2,500. Hey, you going crazy? What do you say? Waiting on your course, bro. I'm gonna drop a course soon. I got some fire stuff for the course that I'm gonna put in it, but I want to make sure it's like it's done right. You get what I'm saying? So like, I want to make sure I'm showing y'all the stuff that I ain't showing y'all on YouTube, because it's a bunch of different ways to trade that I use for like quicker entries and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show y'all that when I drop the course. It's gonna have like how to trade CPI, how to trade NFP, and really be able to catch those moves with no problem. Like a lot of people, they afraid of CPI and NFP, but I like trading those days the most, for real. NFP, they not so much, but CPI is like I could win a trade on CPI easy. So I'm gonna show y'all that stuff in the course. But you could really just make consistent profit just doing this though. That's why I've been just like making y'all stick to this every day, because as long as you got one system that you using and it's working, ain't no reason to really switch it up. So I'm expecting for us to push up in here. Don't even get nervous. We gonna just let it do what it do. We're going to trust the silver bullet. CPI, so red fold the news day. If you ever go to forexfactory.com and you look at the news, you could see all the red fold. You know what I'm saying? You could see all of the events that's about to happen. So, like, let me show you. So, like, if you look at Forex Factory right now, you can see that today we had some red fold the news at 8:30, right? Core retail sales. 10 o'clock at 1:59, some yellow folder. You can just go on here and see every day what the red fold the news is for the day, if it's any. And you really want to like trade, you want to use those red fold the news days for like volatility in the market. So if I really just wanted to be like super like disciplined, I will only trade the days where it's red fold the news because I know it's going to be volatility in the market. You say you contradicting yourselves. I mean, bruh, it's like this. It ain't really saying that that Nas100 is not going to sell because I'm in a buy. It's just that if I'm looking at a silver bullet, right, I got to take the fair value gap in the direction that the market is going in that 1 hour time frame. Even if price is going to sell today, if the silver bullet forms toward the upside, then that means price got to go up for something. It's a reason that it's forming a fair value gap toward the upside. You get what I'm saying? Because if it wanted to go down right now during this hourly candle, it would have pushed down and formed the fair value gap toward the downside. You get what I'm saying? We not using these previous fair value gaps as like entries. Like, say for instance, you was on Nas right now and you trying to catch a silver bullet. It was already a fair value gap formed before 10 o'clock. I'm not trying to take that trade because it was formed before 10 o'clock. I'm trying to take the fair value gap that forms between 10 to 11, right? And since it formed toward the upside on the 1 minute chart, I'm expecting for them to push up here into this fair value gap, potentially higher. So, you know, price can do whatever it want to do, but we just trying to follow the market. We trying to take what's clear to us. So we got lower risk in this trade. So now we really could just let it do what it do. It is a FVG right here that forms. So I would like to see price close either inside this or above it. We're not really tripping off the wick pushing below it because the wick's going to do what they want to do. We really got to just pay attention to the body. TP is the internal FVG, range liquidity. Yep. Which app I use to share my screen? I'm using Streamlabs. I want to see them do like a real impulsive move up now to take us out. Is this the first and last trade today? Yeah, I only trade one trade a day. I don't need to trade more than once because what I make off of one trade is enough. You know what I'm saying? You just got to be comfortable with what you make. I take my one trade because I know if I start trying to trade something else, it's probably gonna go against me. Cause I ain't following my setup. You get what I'm saying? But y'all see how I was showing y'all how they had formed the fair value gap right here, and you see how they had pushed through it. You probably would have been scared if you ain't know no better, cause you looking at it like, oh, they done pushed through this fair value gap. But as long as the body don't close below it, you chilling. The wicks could do whatever it want. The wick could push all the way back down here. As long as price don't close below this FVG, then your entry is kind of safe. So we almost at TP. And this is why I'm sitting on here like walking y'all through the setup and the trade, because I don't want y'all closing getting nervous. As long as we managing our risk, we cool. We could just let the trade move and do what it do. We got 127 people in here. Hey, y'all like the stream up for me right quick. Let's get 100 likes on this stream. It's 100 of y'all in here. If y'all can like it, I don't know what y'all watching it on, but yeah, no, I appreciate y'all. Hey, shout out to Nikki, bro. You always pull up. Kev, Chaz, I be seeing you in here every day. Who else? Nicole, Super. Appreciate y'all for locking in. Y'all future self gonna appreciate this, cause y'all really working and y'all getting stuff done. Even if you ain't making a whole bunch of money or trade right now, every day is a step forward to success. You get what I'm saying? Nah, TP ain't get hit yet. It depends on the broker you on. Like, I'm still a couple of pips away. TP hit up here at 16,650. I don't know if y'all numbers is the same, but yeah, appreciate y'all though. Tanisha, how you doing? Yeah, shout out to Cameron, Vontae, Justin. We almost at TP though. Y'all know after I do this, I'm off. And then we come back to mod, do the same thing. I'm locked in this year though. Let me show y'all this account though. I'm up 500 right now on this trade on this $1,000 account. So this just show y'all don't need a whole bunch to make, you know what I'm saying, to make money. Let me put my take profit up here though. I ain't even gonna risk holding it no longer because I'd be sick if it came all the way back. So let me just get out where y'all getting out at. Take this little $600 profit and we gonna go about our day and go do something else. But we almost at TP though. Just need that one more push. Let me see if my number's the same. 638. Price on Sway is at, yeah, it's the same thing. We almost there. One more little push and we done. One more little push above this high. And we just created equal highs right here too, so they gonna push up into it. Like I said, this whole fair value gap right here probably get filled. But we ain't gonna get greedy. We just gonna take out 1 or 2 and get off. As y'all could see, TP just got hit. For y'all, I put my TP like a couple more pips higher just because I wanted it to be an even 600. But yeah, as you can see, it's pushing up. I'ma close. We cool with the 550. Why it ain't take me out? Oh, all right, there we go. It's cool. Took me out a little late, but we made $500 on a $1,000 account. You can't complain. So yeah, I'ma holla at y'all tomorrow. We'll get back on tomorrow. Appreciate everybody for coming through. TP got hit on it. And we'll be back tomorrow. No problem. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good day. I'm off.